बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, we are going to start your O2 syllabus. As you know that in O2, there will be only one term in which you have to complete the O2 syllabus. As already it was discussed by Sir Ishfaq, in this term, we will complete the section thermal physics. Thermal means heat. In this section, mostly all the chapters are related with heat. And then there are another two chapters, that is general wave properties and sound. And when you will complete the thermal physics, then we will start general physics and then the sound. In general physics, there are 5 chapters. And first chapter is measurement of temperature. The term temperature, you are familiar with this term. Mostly when anybody have temperature, you can measure its body temperature with the help of some device tool that is called the thermometer. In this chapter, our focus will be on this tool, that is the thermometer. What are different types of thermometer? What are different types of scales? And how thermometers are constructed. So before starting thermometer, we discussed very two important terms, that is the heat and the temperature. Mostly people think that heat and temperature both are same things. But here we will see that heat and temperature both are not same things. There is a quite difference between heat and temperature. To define heat and temperature separately, you must keep in mind the two basic terms regarding energy. In the chapter of energy, we have studied that there are different types of energy. For example, potential energy, kinetic energy, okay? And I hope that you are also aware about what is kinetic energy and what is potential energy. Okay? Potential energy, you know, it is the energy possessed by the body due to its position. And kinetic energy is the energy possessed by the body due to its motion. Okay? Hence, we define heat simply if we take an example of solid, liquid, and gas. In 3 types of material, some molecules are at rest and some molecules are moving. It's the same as in solid, liquid, and gas. In liquid and gas, the molecules move, but in case of solid, in spite of molecules move, they only vibrate. Okay? Hence, we conclude that if there is a substance, so it is liquid. In the liquid, there are some molecules which are moving, there are some molecules which are at rest. Hence, we can define heat that it is the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy of all the molecules in a substance. Is it clear? Again, listen. Sum of potential energy and kinetic energy of all the molecules in a substance. No, it is called the heat. Similarly, we define temperature. In order to understand the term temperature, we see that when a body gets heating, the molecules, the substance start to move vigorously. Some molecules are moving with less speed, some molecules are moving with more speed. Hence, we can define temperature, the average kinetic energy of all the molecules in a substance is called temperature. Now, if we compare these two terms, you can clearly see that there is a lot of difference between heat and temperature. Okay, now there are some basic terms. First term is thermometer. It is a device which is used to measure the body temperature, there is another basic term, that is the thermometric liquids. Student, we have different types of thermometer. Glass thermometer. In the glass thermometer, we use a liquid. Now, the liquid used are the alcohol and mercury. Now, both these liquids have some properties due to which we use in the last, we will also discuss the properties of alcohol and mercury. We will also see that mercury has some advantages on alcohol, and similarly, alcohol has some advantages on mercury. That is why we will see why we prefer mercury on alcohol and alcohol on mercury. Now we have types of thermometer. types of thermometer. Number one, there is a glass thermometer in which alcohol is used. There is a glass thermometer in which mercury is used. Mercury in glass thermometer. Mercury in glass thermometer. Alcohol in glass thermometer. We have a thermometer. Later on, we will discuss this resistance thermometer. Resistance thermometer. And the fourth one is thermocouple thermometer. Thermocouple thermometer. We will discuss all these four thermometers one by one. Now, types of scale. Student, if you see a glass thermometer, on the glass thermometer, there are two scales side by side. One is Fahrenheit thermometer scale. On another side, there is centigrade scale. Mostly, we use Fahrenheit scale in order to note down the body temperature. For example, if you go to a doctor and you are not feeling well, first of all, the doctor will check your body temperature. After observing the temperature, he will say that your body temperature is 101, mean 101, you have your body temperature. This 101 mean it is 101 Fahrenheit degree. It is not degree Celsius. It is 101 Fahrenheit degree. Okay, number one, degree Celsius. And it is denoted by C0, C degree. This is the specific symbol in order to express the body temperature. For example, 101, sorry, because it is degree Celsius. Now, I have told you that if our body temperature is 101 Fahrenheit, it means it is in degrees Celsius, it will be some like 38 degrees Celsius. Okay. Second one is Fahrenheit degree. Fahrenheit degree. And the third one is Kelvin scale. Now there is a question. If you are given temperature in degrees Celsius, and how to convert this into Fahrenheit and into Kelvin. In Cambridge syllabus, we have to only convert degrees Celsius into Kelvin scale. Now, how to convert degree scale into Kelvin scale or Kelvin into degree scale? Conversion. Suppose T represent temperature to Fahrenheit, and Tc temperature in degrees Celsius. Just by adding 273 in degrees Celsius, you will get temperature in Fahrenheit. And similarly, if you are given temperature in degrees Celsius, you want to convert this into Fahrenheit, we have to subtract 273 from temperature given in Fahrenheit. Okay. These are some basic terms which are used when we study the temperature, measurement of temperature, and the thermometers. No, so student, before starting the construction of a thermometer, we will discuss the subtopic that is how to get the temperature of an unknown body with the help of a thermometer which have no scale. Okay, listen. Now we are going to discuss a subtopic that if you want to get the temperature of a substance which is unknown, and you have a thermometer without scale. Is it clear? You have a temperature, you have a thermometer without scale, then how to get the temperature of that body whose temperature is unknown? Okay. Temperature, sorry, determination of temperature, sorry, determination of unknown temperature by an uncalibrated thermometer. Now, what does it mean, uncalibrated? uncalibrated thermometer. A thermometer on which there are no marking or division. Mean such type of thermometer which have no division, which have no marking, that thermometer is called uncalibrated thermometer. Okay, now if we draw laboratory thermometer, it has some main parts. This is clinical thermometer. And this is a laboratory thermometer. Now both the thermometer have some glass covering. This is the glass case. It is the capillary tube. And this bended part of the capillary tube in the clinical thermometer is called constriction. Now the student, the function of this bended part is to stop the mercury to flow back. And in the meantime, we can get the reading from the thermometer. Now this part is the glass bulb. This part is the glass bulb. No. Here is the thermometric liquid. No. Here is the thermometric liquid. Now, this length of the mercury is called mercury thread. Mercury thread, it is also called mercury column. Mercury column. Mercury column. This is liquid column. If it is alcohol, we simply write it is the column thread. It is also called thread line or the column. Thread line. Okay. Now these are the main parts of clinical thermometer and the laboratory thermometer. Okay, student, we will continue this in next lecture, in which we will discuss that how temperature is measured by uncalibrated thermometer. Assalamu alaikum.